Hello YouTube, Caroline Dipper here. There's Samcro over there doing all the work because I'm lazy. So what you doing over there?
Trying to get to the thing. I don't know what the hell it is. Something.
He's got the right idea. So you're still working on Lawnmower?
We're going to be working on Lawnmower for the next couple of videos.
Yeah, probably. But it's just a little quick thing, just keep you updated on what we're doing.
No, the motor's not off.
No, not yet. The seat is.
Did you shit again?
Yeah.
God. It smells like fucking bologna.
When did I eat bologna?
It smells like bologna.
Oh well. So what we're talking about, I farted and it smells like bologna. Look at the fucking ladybug. Look at it. Hot fly. Alright. See you on the other side, I guess. Well, it's Caroline Dipper here. We got the motor off. Start cleaning it up a little bit. We're about to take the whole little dash, I guess you could say, off. Hey, down there getting some bolts. Just doing a little update here. They don't look too bad with tires on there. But that's it for now. We're gonna give you a little update here in a little while. Caroline Dipper out. Got it flipped over. Now he's scrubbing the bottom of it. Yeah, get in there nice and deep. Let me rub my belly button while you do it. As you can see, we got a jack.
Put some wood on it.
Would be out with wood under it. Another jack, 2 jack stands. Look at that. It's so soapy and nasty. Ooh. Thank God we're doing this. There's the transmission. There's Samcro. So day 1 is complete. We got the engine off, got the frame and no little body parts cleaned. Purple power. There's a handful. Alright. Got anything to say?
No.
Okay. Oh, I gotta rinse off one more spot. While you see that, I'm gonna walk down here and show you the little engine. The one we took out. What exactly are we doing? Well, are you you're just, I know, are you just cleaning the engine or are you gonna put another engine in it for drag?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
Eventually. Yeah. But for now, building we've been working in. Right now, we got, here's the engine. New muffler, dirty as hell. And a little bitch. That's where all the way to the lawnmower's at. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh shit. Oh, you just gonna pick it up on in there? Alright. Well, last view. Nice brakes.
Move away.
Okay.
You're in the way.
Apparently I'm in the way. But anyway. Watch you.
Like that, didn't you?
Yeah. That purple power. See now, if it was all put together, we would not have been able to do that.
Could have.
No.
Been heavier.
Well, we'd pull a hamster string. Alright, well, this is Carolina and Samcro, and we're out. Stay tuned for day 2, not 3. I'm tired. We're here. We're walking out. It's about 10, what is it, about 9 o'clock? And we're walking out to the building. Day 2, 3, whatever you want to call it. It's 3 to him, 2 to me. But, coming out here to mess around. Had the breakfast and the morning coffee. I'm gonna pack a lip. But, last night, Samcro here, he recorded some videos on his phone. And then he decided to lock the keys in the building.
But we made it.
We made it. But there she is.
That only worked, it was dark.
So see what we're doing, we got the lawnmower out. Gonna take this off right here. So we're gonna have to get in there and take all that crap apart. Look how dirty it is, we just cleaned it. God. Yep. Oh, well, see? What happens when you use purple powder? You don't wash it off fast enough, it streaks. God. Terrible. But it'll be alright, it'll come off. We're going to do a little bit of touching up paint today. So maybe you'll get to see us do that. Say hi. Hey, it's Caroline Dipper here. We're back from old Wally World. Before we left, we got the little, I guess you could call it a little dash or whatever, off. Ah, my finger's covering the damn thing. There, see? It's over there. With Wally World, got some, that's what we got here. That's trash. That's a black bandana. First, when we went there, we got some Stokers, long cut. Look at that, since 1940. Really, is that the person on here, is that a man or a woman? I have no idea. Looks like a really manly woman to me. Nobody seems to know these things, so. Let's see, we got 2 cans of flat spray paint. And then we got 2 cans of gloss. Oh, glothy. Another bandana. We got tack rag. Gets all the grimy shit off before you spray it. Let's see here. Got the old American bandana on. Veterans Day. So I got my movies cans out of the way. Shit. Oh, toolbox. See, this is part of that thing.
What thing?
The thing pulls steering wheel off.
Oh.
All kinds of sandpaper, some goop. That'll be it, and we'll get back to you later. We just sanded some and washed the body and the frame of the lawnmower. Samcro's over there squeegeeing it to help it dry some so we can get it tacked and taped up and then everything else. I got the, I guess you could say it's the dash part of the whole lawnmower. I got it painted and I'll get a video of that here in a little bit. And we're going to get to it, and this is Caroline Dipper saying keep on dipping. This right here is the little dash part. Not too worried about the inside because they ain't gonna fucking see it. Oh, that's it there. And that's the dash. Caroline Dipper here. I got some primer on the bare metal parts of the lawnmower frame. Waiting for it to dry a little bit so I can spray some black on there. We're going with the oh shit, flat black first, and then I'm gonna put some gloss over that. I am spitting on some grizzly wintergreen right now. We do have Stokers, but it's in the building up there, and I was too lazy to get it, so I just grabbed a grizzly out of my pocket. But as you can see, we're working hard. Samcro over there, he's over there cleaning up the engine some more. Getting
He's recording too.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, he's doing something. Oh my god, it looks like shit. They got little white splotches.
It's not done yet. It's overspray.
It's like it's got scabies or something.
It might does.
It might, I hope not. Oh, look at that overspray.
That primer overspray is like shit. I hate it, but the black will cover it.
Yeah, this is pretty much what we're doing.
I did spray some little bit of flat black.
Bored and it's getting late in the day, so we're about to call it.
I did spray some flat black, as you can see, a little bit, just to see what it looked like. Don't look too bad. What's he doing over there? What's he doing? What's he doing?
I don't know. Going on. Brandon, go jump in that pile.
No!
Doing absolutely.
You know what? I might jump in that pile.
Huh?
I might jump in that pile.
Go jump in the pile so I can record it. Go jump in the pile. Go jump in the pile.
I was gonna take that with me.
So here, we're recording on 2 different phones, Brandon's phones. There's Brandon again. And now he's going to go jump into that, just for absolutely no reason. And there he's in there now. And, yeah, so now, we're both recording this. We're actually recording on 2 phones. One's going to be on Carolina Dipper video, and the other one's going to be on Samcro. But sorry, they're featuring both me. Hey, you picking stuff out of your ass, man.
Look at it. Oh.
She's got woolly boogers all over it.
Your turn to jump.
I ain't jumping out, man.
You got crap all over. I know. Alright. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Carolina Dipper out. Keep on dipping.